Hey cleaning family, it's Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor. And in today's YouTube video, we are going to discuss the importance of brand identity for your business. So be sure to stick around for the entire video. Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for the success of any business, but especially important within the cleaning industry: brand identity. I'll be sharing how you can create and maintain a strong brand that sets your business apart, builds trust with clients, and ultimately drives growth. First, let's get into the importance of a strong brand identity. First, let's talk about why having a strong brand identity is so important. Your brand identity is more than just a logo or a catchy name. It's the overall perception that people have of your business. In the cleaning industry, where clients are inviting you into their homes or personal offices, trust is everything. A strong brand identity helps build that trust. It conveys professionalism, reliability, and quality, all of which are crucial when you're being trusted to take care of somebody's home or their business office. Within my cleaning business, Spotless and Arellano Cleaning Services, we have seen firsthand how a solid brand identity can make a difference. It not only makes us stand out from our competitors, but it also creates a lasting impression that leads to client loyalty and word of mouth referrals, which we all know are extremely important. Now let's talk about consistency within your branding. Consistency is key when it comes to branding. This means using the same logos, the same colors, and the same messaging across all platforms, whether it's your website, social media, or even your business cards. For Spotless Cleaning Services, maintaining a cohesive brand presence has been instrumental in building recognition and loyalty among our clients. When people see our logo or our colors, they instantly recognize us, and that familiarity builds trust. Now let's talk about one of the most important aspects of your brand identity, which is your logo. Your logo should reflect the professionalism and the nature of your business. It should be simple, memorable, and versatile for use on different mediums like uniforms, vehicles, and the rest of your marketing materials. At Spotless Cleaning Services, we choose a clean and modern logo that conveys reliability and quality of service. It's straightforward, but it's effective, which is exactly what you want in a logo. If you guys need logo services, please check the link in the description of this video. The next topic I want to talk about is color psychology. Now, color plays a huge role in how people perceive your brand. For example, blue is often associated with trust and dependability, while green can convey cleanliness and eco-friendliness. At Spotless Cleaning Services, we use a combination of blue and white to emphasize trust and clarity in our services. It's amazing how something as simple as the color can influence how potential clients feel about your cleaning business. Also, for my mentoring business, I use purple, which conveys trust. Next up, let's talk about crafting your brand message. Your brand message should communicate your business's values, your mission, and what makes you unique. It's not just about what you do, but why you do it and how you do it differently. At Spotless Cleaning Services, our messaging focuses on quality, reliability, and trust. This aligns with our commitment to providing excellent service and building long-term relationships with all of our clients. Your message should resonate with your target audience and make them feel confident in choosing you for your services. Hey cleaning family, if you guys are interested in working with me and my team on your business's brand identity, please be sure to check out the link in the description of this video, as we have a number of services for your business, such as logo creation, pamphlet design, marketing materials, as well as web design and instant booking form creation, along with Google My Business services. Let's also get into talking about developing a unique value proposition, also known as a UVP. Your unique value proposition, or your UVP, is a clear statement that explains why clients should choose your cleaning business over the next. It could be your specialized services, the use of eco-friendly products, or the exceptional customer service. Our UVP at Spotless Cleaning Services highlights our expertise in post-construction cleaning, commercial cleaning, residential cleaning, along with our commitment to using environmentally safe products. Now, this sets us apart and helps potential clients understand the unique benefits of choosing us. Now let's talk about building that brand loyalty. Building brand loyalty goes beyond just providing great service. Engage with your clients through personalized communication, loyalty programs, and by consistently delivering on all of your promises. At Spotless Cleaning Service, we prioritize client feedback to ensure that our clients feel heard and, of course, valued. This helps us foster long-term relationships and makes our clients more likely to recommend us to their friends and to their family. Now, you guys know that I am big on utilizing social media. In today's digital age, your online presence is a huge part of your brand identity. Use social media to showcase your brand through consistent visuals and messaging. Share before and after photos of the work that you guys have done, client testimonials, and behind the scene content to connect with your audience. At Spotless Cleaning Service, we use platforms like Instagram and Facebook to highlight our work and engage with our community. And don't forget your Google My Business. This not only builds our brand, but it helps us attract new clients. Those 5-star review guys count for so much. You always want to be professional. Professionalism should extend to every aspect of your business, including how you communicate with your clients. Whether it's through emails, phone calls, or even text messaging, maintaining a professional tone reinforces your brand's reliability and professionalism. At Spotless Cleaning Service, we ensure that all of our communication reflects the high standards that we set for all of our services. Of course, you guys are going to have to adapt and evolve with your branding, something that we have constantly done. You want to remember that your brand identity should always evolve as your business grows. Regularly assessing your branding to ensure it still aligns with your business goals and, of course, the market trends. At Spotless Cleaning Service, we periodically review our branding to make sure that it remains relevant and that it continues to resonate with our target audience. Don't be afraid to make changes if necessary. Your brand should grow and evolve with your business. Overall, a strong brand identity is essential for building trust, attracting clients, and setting your cleanings apart from the competition. By focusing on consistency, choose the right logo and the right colors, crafting a compelling message, and maintaining professionalism in all communication, you can create a powerful brand that resonates with the audience that drives the business growth that you are looking for. If you guys are interested in working with me on my team on helping you build your brand identity, please be sure to check the link in the description of this video. Some of the services that we provide are logo design, pamphlet design, flyer design, business card design, and of course, most importantly, web design and instant booking services. So go ahead and check out the link in the description of this video. If you guys found this video informational and educational, please be sure to hit the like and the subscribe button. And of course, please go check out my members only YouTube community where I post private videos that you otherwise will not see on this channel.